A man is handsome when he has an attractive personality, good sense and good behavior. Physically, we define a person handsome when he is good looking, tall, sharp feature, well built, sexy body and intelligent. It is indeed needless to say that there are less men who involve in such profession. But wait a minute, a 21-year-old of Difuhi Dilangso, Mr. Angtik Ingti has something unique that touches everyone's heart by winning Mr. KYF 2020 title. The event was hosted by United Karbi Youth Association collaborating with Karbi Cultural Society, which the event was held on occasion of the 46th edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2020. Mr. Angtik Ingti has a beautiful heart with his positive fitness influence. Now let's have a chat with Mr. Angtik Ingti regarding his recent success. Hello viewers, welcome to Cut News, and today in this talk show we have a special guest with us, and he is the winner of the second edition of Mr. KYF, which was held on occasion of the 46th edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2020 at Tarangso. And today alongside me he is the winner of Mr. KYF 2020, Mr. Angtik Ingti. Welcome to Cut News, Mr. Angtik.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so as we are, I don't want to waste any time asking you questions. So my first question to you is, why you are so handsome? Why you are so handsome?
Many people ask me this, and my only answer I give to them is it because I'm single? Because I don't know myself also.
Since you are participated in this event, in fact, and I just want to know from you that is this your real profession, or is it your real profession, or if so, why you have chose to enter in such profession?
Actually, sorry, I would like to tell you that competing in contest this will be called as pageant. No, you might be from various background, but it doesn't matter from what background you are.
Right.
It doesn't matter. If you want to compete in this, you can. It may be your profession. If you want to make it, then yes, I think we can make it this as our profession. But personally, me, actually, no. It is not my profession.
It's not your profession.
Yes, but I love competing.
Alright.
Yeah, I love competing. I got the poster. A union body in our Difu Government. I'm a student at Difu Government College right now. Our new union body member, he called me a day. I was coming back from Denarong, which is my mom's place. My uncle passed away, and I was very busy there. And then he called me, and then he told me, brother, if you want to participate in this, I sent you on your WhatsApp a poster of this Mr. KYF. If you are interested, he told me. And I was like, brother, right now I'm not in a condition to compete in any contest. My skin is dark. I was very busy in all those funeral and stuff. And then he didn't force me, actually. He told me that he told me that you think this night, and you just tell me the other day. You just tell me the next day if you're really interested, because he told me that I see the potential in you. You have got the looks and stuff, and I was like, everybody said that, but still. And then I went back home, and then I told my mom about it, and she was like, my mother, she's always supportive to me. Not only my mother, my father also. And then because of that only, I participated in this competition.
Okay, just tell me that how many members in your family?
We are a family of four.
Four family.
Yes, my father, my mother, me, and my younger brother.
What your father does?
Actually, he's just a farmer.
Okay.
Yeah, not just, he's a farmer.
You are the elder one?
Yes, I'm the eldest.
Okay. Alright, so my next question to you is, what is the other thing that you like other than this pageantry? Since many people, I interviewed many people here in my show, and especially from this pageantry background, and I asked them that apart from the pageantry, they like sports and different activities they like. So what are the things that you like other than this pageantry?
Thank you for this question. I would love to tell you, you know, it's kind of my aim in life also. If I'm saying it,
Okay.
I'm blessed that I'm able to, you know, tell this in this platform right now.
Okay.
On screen. Okay. You know, I want to be a fitness influencer in Karbiang.
Fitness influencer. Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
You know, since my childhood, I have been hearing this news. You know that, you know, somebody died because of diabetes, or because of blood pressure, high pressure, low pressure, and stuff. And you know, I got a curiosity. How is it? How people are getting that sickness? And then later on, I came to know that it's because of their, you know, unhealthy meal and stuff. Yes, unhealthy food habits, unhealthy meal. They get what, and you know, our staple food is rice, and you know, whatever occasion it is, we the Karbies love to eat rice and pork, which is very high in calories, you know, and they're full of unhealthy fats and carbohydrates, which is really bad for our health actually.
Absolutely.
And
yes, and since you are talking about the health, right? Even my mom also, you know, passed away last month, and actually he was also one of the victim of such unhealthy, you know, consuming some unhealthy activities. So but
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Let's laugh about this. So what you want to tell the societies, in fact, what you want to tell the younger generation so that they could you know, avoid such things, especially that you are mentioning about the pork and the many activities. So what do you want to tell the youths?
Right now, the youth, I would like to tell them that eat healthy. Please avoid alcohol, smoking cigarettes, and main of all, weed. They are cheap in Karbiang Long, I heard. You know, personally, I don't know anything about it, but it's better if, you know, the current youth, they avoid such things, because these are also, you know, if not now, because right now we are on our teenage, we are on our teen. They don't. Our body is still growing. Our body, they still have the capacity to, you know, restore our health, even if we are really destroying it. But when you will, you know, you will fully get addicted to it, and when you will be an adult, and at that time also, you're still using it, then at that time it will be difficult for you.
Right.
Yes, and it will not only harm you, but it will harm your family also, through financially, you know, morally.
Okay.
So as I know, you know, my brothers in here, Tisso and Karbiang Long, they love their parents very much.
Okay.
Not only here, but all over the world, they love their parents very much.
Right.
But because of all this addiction and stuff, they go through different paths.
Right. So now let's come again to the pageantry and the contest that has been taken place, and you are the title winner, right? So tell me about your experience in this competition. What are the difficulties you face? And I don't know whether you are participating in this event for the first time or not, but I just want to know your experiences there. Is it very difficult to you know, participate in such event?
Talking about if it is my first time, then I will say in such a high stage, you know, high platform, it's my first time. I never participated in this kind of very big, you know, festival. But talking about first time, I will say kind of no also. You know, I'm the Mr. Difu Government College 2019. I won the title. So I don't know if it is a yes or no. And talking about the difficulties in competing in this KYF. Personally, you know, if Sir Albertson Tisso and Sir Sagar Ingling, if you're watching this, I would like to thank both of you, because, you know, 4 days from before the competition, I have no idea about anything about all this. But because both of these guys, I got some knowledge. They teach us hard, you know, how to walk. You know, they were like, you know, I was like asking myself, is it me competing in this competition, or they? Because, you know, they are, you know, putting such an effort to us, you know. Not only me, they were around, I think, not around, there were 20 contestants. There was around there were 20 contestants, and then, you know, to each and every one, they are like, you know, teaching each and every one, you know, your walking style is not that good, you're posing, you're smiling. They are, you know, they are noticing each and everything, you know. Yes, because of them, you know, I feel that it wasn't that much hard. And about the between the connection and the relation between the contestant, I miss you all, guys. If you're watching this video, then
if you're watching this video, the winner of Mr. KYF is here with us, and obviously we will be knowing more about him now. My question to you is, since you are talking about this contest, right? And in a day's time, there will be a lot of participants who will be contesting in different events also. And you won this title, and what you want to encourage the new younger generation who will be participating in such platform? What?
better roads, actually.
Okay.
Roads are being made now, but it's better, before the summer rains come, it be fixed because from my home to college, it's still in construction, and if it starts raining, then trust me, I won't be able to go to college, because it will be very much muddy, more than before also, and then that's about the road only. And to the society, some changes are there, it will be very good, if people mind their own business. In our society, there are a lot of backbiters. Yeah, whatever a guy is doing, let him do it his wish. If he is not harming the other people, it's their wish. If he wants to be a biker, he wants to be a YouTuber, he wants to be a a designer and stuff, let him do it. It's his wish. Other people do not have right,
Right. So you mean to say the backbite should be go away from our society, right? Okay. So any other thing that you don't want here in societies, since Miss KYF has already said that many things that she doesn't like, and do you want people to enter in politics, in terms of your views? What's your views on youths entering in politics?
Youths entering in politics, I would say that we must.
Okay.
Not the youth, we must. Because we are the future of our Karbi Anglong, if I'm saying respectively also. We are the future. We the youths are the future.
Okay.
Let's first of all, what's important is our formal education. Education is very much important. If you want to do business or be in a politics or anything you want to do, education is first and foremost very much important, because you have the information, you have the idea about what you're going to do. Politics, you will see that politics, just saying is not, by saying it is very simple, but it's not that simple, politics. Actually, politics is also very dirty, I would like to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
But my next question to you is, let's come to your family. Okay, now, so since you said that you have totally you have 4 members in your family, right? So are they really supportive to you, whatever you do in your career?
As I have told you already, sir, yes, they are very supportive. We are a small family, a very happy family.
All right. And what do you want to say to the organizers, since United Karbi Student Association, maybe perhaps UKYA, right, is organized this event, right? So what do you want to tell them, or what do you want to say about this organization who organized this event?
I would like to speak in my mother tongue.
Okay, right.
Chorolo kadu kawe soni UKYA members tumpan ansita lapen ke hai warlong kitera president la ampar ke KCS tumpan ta choro par piglaninga klong pen la, so Mr. KYF kachipati padu ponopot ko ane ningkan pen kapor ichuning pen ke ingdeng isian lo piningan ke ingdeng hini aneli tu an lo ke la sinon ako chuning ritu bangkela lo je non kevang jibom aprang aningkan mi that is 2021 or 22 upcoming years along ta, so ne answer say la Mr. KYF and asapo supportive chupaklang dan mane asapo support chat and ke through financially maybe, or through everything jakong horang pentami la answer say kerap chitai don ni fancy chuning lo.
Okay, my last question before we conclude this show, I want to ask you the last question, and that question is very simple. Do you have your girlfriend?
Honestly, sir, I don't have a girlfriend.
Okay. Alright, guys. He said that he doesn't have his girlfriend. So it will be very fortunate for all of you watching him here. Okay. For the moment, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, each and every one of you, for watching this show. Since Mr. Ang Tik In T here, not only just to waste our time, because he himself won Mr. KYF this session, and gratitude must be extended to the organizer as well, and appreciate must be goes to him, the winner of Mr. KYF, Mr. Ang Tik In T, who is every now and then active in every activities. So such person is very important in our society. So I would like to thank Mr. Ang Tik In T for joining in this event, and we are very, very grateful to you. Even you have very less time, but despite of that, you manage your time and come here and be a part of this talk show. So thank you so much, Mr. Ang Tik, for your time.
Thank you.
All right. So you want to say something about this channel?
Yes, of course. I've been waiting.
All right.
Jorol God News channel atuma phanta lapen kardom pamu ninjelo andelo kardom God News channel kilang arat to antum phanta.
Okay. So, all right. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen, and for more videos and for more news, keep watching God News, and we will be bringing you a lot of things and a lot of information regarding our society, not only our society but the entire world as well. So keep watching God News, and for the moment, thank you very much.